Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to sign up on Aviator Predictor. So first you just have to go to any web browser and then type aviatorpredict.com/login. Now here you will see this. You can tap this download APK if you want. So if you tap this download Aviator Predictor APK, then it will take you directly to this. Okay, so you have to wait for a couple of seconds and then tap start. And all you have to do is to read the following and then tap next. Okay, read more information about Aviator, tap next. Or you can go back and then go directly to their website. So basically, if you tap this, like register online to their website without downloading this APK, you will still undergo this process like you have or you need to download this Aviator Predictor APK and still continue with the following here. Start and next. Okay, how should I pay the 20%? After you read this, tap next. Okay, so it will give you more information about this. So you just have to click next, next, till you reach this 100% here. And then tap sign up. So once you tap this, then you need to sign up using your Google account. So you have to sign up using your Google account here. So all you have to do is to tap this button right here, confirm your Google account, and then wait for a couple of seconds. And that's it. Okay, so you have to simply sign up to this platform. And in order for you to proceed or to complete the sign up, you need to tap this sign up button right here, where you should see this form. And all you have to do is to enter the information needed here, and then after that tap confirm. So you cannot proceed if you don't sign up. Okay, so that's it. That's basically how you sign up on Aviator Predictor. I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next video tutorials.